Every journey begins where fresh water and fertile soil meet. Careful harvesting preserves both today's crop and tomorrow's growth. Natural waterways become the farm's first transportation system. Only the freshest harvest continues to the next stage. Efficient transport protects freshness from the very first mile.
Freshness depends on speed, precision, and careful handling.
The harvest now enters a carefully controlled processing environment. Every batch begins with complete traceability. Temperature control locks in freshness before processing begins. The transformation begins with a perfectly controlled cleaning system. Automation begins by moving every harvest with gentle precision. Air and water work together to clean every fresh leaf. Every rinse removes the smallest remaining impurities. Experienced eyes verify what machines cannot always detect. Intelligent vision systems add another layer of food safety. Removing surface moisture prepares the harvest for the next process.
Controlled airflow protects freshness while improving efficiency.
Uniform grading ensures consistent quality throughout production. Every approved batch is now ready for transformation. The journey now enters the heart of modern food processing. Carefully controlled heat preserves color while preparing every leaf. Rapid cooling locks in freshness and vibrant color. Removing excess water prepares every batch for freezing. Balanced rotation delivers gentle yet highly effective drying.
Precision automation keeps production perfectly balanced.
Extreme cold begins preserving freshness within minutes. Rapid freezing protects quality one leaf at a time.
Each frozen piece retains its natural shape and freshness.
Safety is verified before the next stage continues. Accurate portioning prepares every package for perfect consistency.
Computer-controlled weighing delivers precision in every portion.
Every package begins with perfectly synchronized automation.
Protective packaging helps preserve freshness throughout storage. A perfect seal protects every frozen harvest. Automated inspection ensures consistent packaging quality.
Every package is verified before leaving the production line.
Complete traceability follows every package from farm to freezer. Robotic precision keeps packaging fast and consistent.
Secure cartons prepare frozen products for large-scale distribution. Production now shifts from packaging to final verification.
Perfect alignment protects every shipment before storage.
Protective wrapping keeps every pallet secure through distribution.
Every pallet receives its own unique production identity.
Automation confirms every shipment meets exact standards. Temperature control remains unbroken from production onward.
Modern warehouses preserve quality with continuous cold chain control. Every pallet is tracked from storage to final delivery.
Intelligent logistics prepare each order for shipment.
One final inspection ensures every order leaves in perfect condition. Before shipping, every batch must earn its final approval. Every production batch begins its final quality verification. Controlled laboratory conditions ensure accurate testing.
Appearance reveals the first signs of consistent quality.
Maintaining the frozen chain protects product integrity.
Precision measurements confirm manufacturing consistency.
Scientific testing verifies food safety beyond visual inspection. Every result is measured against strict quality standards. Only fully approved products continue to distribution. Quality approval clears the way for delivery.
The journey now reaches its final destination.
The cold chain remains unbroken as every pallet begins its journey.
Secure transport protects every package from factory to customer.
Accurate documentation completes every successful shipment. Freshly frozen vegetables now begin their journey to markets around the world. Every package reflects precision from harvest to freezing.
Modern logistics preserve quality long after production ends.
A carefully managed supply chain delivers freshness across great distances.
And this is how modern factories produce frozen water spinach from start to finish.
Innovation, hygiene, and teamwork transform a fresh harvest into a trusted frozen food. Thank you for joining this complete journey inside the high-tech water spinach factory.